Good morning, everyone. Today we're doing scraps to embellishment again with Ginger over at Ginger's Corner, and our theme today is Give Thanks, and it's anything with a Thanksgiving theme. So I'm doing this little pie that sits in the window. Isn't it cute? And it's a rubber stamp I got from Temu, and then it also came with a die as well. And so you got, oh, I guess I need to, which way am I going? Wrong way. Let me show you the rubber stamps. So this is the whole rubber stamp set. I'm just using this one today, the little pie in the window. And then it also came with the die, and my die's still in the art room. So I'm making 6 of them because I make 4 for the swap, and then I do one for me and one for my friend. And I'm using colored pencils and markers because some of it I want to look a little, you know, a little darker, so then I'm using the markers, and some of them I'm just, you know, using colored pencils so it has that look to it. And so Ginger goes, "Oh, you're coloring again." I know I said that the last time I was coloring, but it's like I do love colored pencils because it's like you can layer them and get more, you know, more of a shadows and stuff like that. So I do like using them. And my husband changed the blade on my pencil sharpener. It works so much better because it was horrible.
You're welcome, mistress.
Thank you, husband and MC. So I'm just doing all this in brown. Now I have white woodwork, but it used to be brown, and about this color too. And I just thought this looked cute with the pie and the colors. And then I'm using, oh, who's that? The Pioneer lady. Her stuff is like blue and red and yellow, like primary colors, I think, mostly. And so I'm kind of got that in mind while I'm doing this because I like those colors. So did everybody have a nice Halloween? I went out with the grandkids. It was really nice. We had the youngest grandkid, the ones in between, and the oldest one. The second one, she had a birthday party to go to. So hopefully she got to dress up for that because, you know, the funnest part about Halloween is to dress up and get to be somebody you're not. I know every year I wanted to be a princess, I think. And one year I talked my mom into getting me a Cinderella mask. And that was torture because you couldn't see anything. She says, "I told you." Sometimes we just got to do it, so we learn. That was my only time that I think I had a mask. It was plastic, it was cold, I lived in Wisconsin. Okay, and then I actually took some light brown and went around on the pie. I gotta keep making sure I'm in screen. So I did a little bit of the crust with the brown, with the light brown. Because you want it to be a little golden brown by the time you're done. Oh, it looks like I should have sharpened this one too, because it's kind of hard to, it's not coloring real well. Okay. And then I have tan, because that's what the pie looks like, tan until it, well, it still looks like tan unless, you know, sometimes I leave it in there too long and then it gets a little brown. So I guess I like it a little golden brown. So I'm doing that. And then I'm gonna do a little bit more. I think I'm gonna use a little bit of this darker brown. Just kind of go over these edges a little bit. And I just like to pull in a little bit more layers of colors. And then the little pie pan, I'm thinking, okay, the Pioneer lady probably has a blue one. I really do have her in mind when I'm coloring this one. And this is actually navy blue, but it kind of reminds me of that cobalt blue. And then for this little dish towel that's sitting underneath it, I'm doing a red and white stripe. So I'm doing the skinny stripes in the red. Oh, I almost missed the line. You know why? Because I have on 2 pairs of glasses. Said I need a pair of clip-on magnifying glasses. Okay, and then I'm doing this bottom one because the towel is folded, I can tell. So I'm doing that. Okay, so I have that done. And then I have, well, right here I'm just gonna make like a couple little lines. Where they have the lines, I'm doing a little bit of blue there because you know how the window looks like that when you, for like the reflecting of the window pane. And then I'm doing this vase like a lighter blue. Okay. And then I have these, they look, when you look really close at these little things down below, they almost look like little oranges or maybe they're peaches. So but this part, the one little one looks like definitely like an orange. So I thought I would do that color. And then this is yellow orange. And there's like 2 little things that look more like little balls or orange, you know, they look like balls or circles. So I'm doing those in the orange, the yellow orange. Because maybe it's some kind of, I don't know what's in that pot that has that kind of, that's growing, looks like it's growing fruit. Okay, and then I'm putting some green leaves on it. I'm using the marker for that, so I have them darker. And then for the curtains, I am doing those with a blue marker, and it's just blue. I don't think it has another name. And I'm doing blue striped curtains. And before I started coloring, I was wondering if I should be actually, I'm not used to doing a rubber stamp and a die, so I didn't know if people actually colored them before they cut them out or cut them out first, but so this is my first time. Okay, and then I'm assuming that this is a cherry pie. Since it's got a top crust, I think it's not pumpkin. So I'm doing a little red in here. And I think that's it. My pie just isn't quite, I don't think it's colored quite enough. Let's see, maybe some of this light brown, a little more of that. I just keep coloring until it looks like I want it to look. This is the one I think I need to sharpen. Let me try it this way. And I think I need a little bit more blue too. So I want the pie pan to look a little different color than the little blue potted plant. Okay, so I think that's it. So in the drop down menu there will be a link that takes you over to Ginger's Corner if you want to swap with us, or if you want to just be inspired, or if you want to make embellishments. So thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Oh, I forgot to say, there's another link that will take you over to a link that has everybody that's making embellishments. There, now I think I said everything. Okay, so I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye. Close-ups at the end.